Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we will see the clustered bar chart in Power BI. So what is a clustered bar chart in Power BI and when to use it, we can understand it in detail. So Power BI clustered bar chart is used to display horizontal bars of multiple data regions or we can say the measures against a single metric. So if we have to show the different categories variable among the one reference variable, then we can use the clustered bar chart for the horizontal bars. Okay. And when we have to use it, so when we have to nominal or the ordinal variables and we wanted to illustrate that in the differences in the categories of these two variables, then we can use this. Okay, so we have the one column of the different categories, or we can add the different two or three columns also for the bars, and we can take one column in the axis, then we will get the clustered bar chart. Okay, so let's see in the Power BI desktop how to create this clustered bar chart. Before that, I have created the playlist on the beginners. I have covered the home, insert, modeling, view, help, and this all the ribbon, upper ribbon. I have covered the fields pane, visualization pane, and the filter pane too. Also, I have covered this format, what format do for the visuals. Okay, so if you have to check that videos, you have to go and check my playlist. I'm giving the link in the I button so that you can find easily. And please don't miss to subscribe my channel for more videos and for your learning. Okay, so let's start with the clustered bar chart. So for starting, we have to click over here, and then we will get this chart in the dashboard. After getting this chart in the dashboard, we have to add the fields in the axis values. Small multiples also we can add, and also we can add the tooltips here. So let's take the customer name in the axis, and let's take the profit and sales in the values. Okay, so we can see here we are having the profit and sales by customer name. So from here we can analyze the profit and the sales for each customer. Like this Richard MC Cloud, this customer is having the profit of 9,300.34 and the sales of 15,269. Okay, so we can give the labels too for this particular customers. So for for giving the styles and we can say the cosmetics to our visual, we can see this format option, and we are able to give the style to our visual from here. If we have to give the data labels, then we have to on this. After that, we can able to see the data labels here in the, like it is giving us in the thousands, so we can change the units also from this display unit section. We can set as the none, so it will give us this value, and we can't understand what is that value is, then we have to set it in thousand, or we can set it in the million, billion, and billions also. So as of now we can take it as thousands. Okay, from this we can bold, italic, underline this. Then we can show the background also for these particular labels. Okay, we can set the uh, image on the background for this visual. From this plot area we can set the title, we can set the background color as I can. Okay, I can take this gray color and I can do the transparency. According to your the criteria, you can give the transparency to the visual. If you want it dark, then you need to go near the 0%, and if you want front, then you can give the middle number. Okay, and then we can give the border to the visual. From here we can give the shadow, we can add the tooltip also. Okay, in this way we can create the clustered bar chart in Power BI desktop, and we can add the legends also. In this way we can create the clustered bar chart in Power BI desktop. And after this video, next video is on the clustered column chart. So we will see it in the detail. Please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications of my new videos.